Hello friends, now in this video we will check the WordPress journal settings section. So if you click on journal now, so here you can see, like in the front end, like you can see the title is Umair Bhatt and just another WordPress site that is called slogan or tagline. So here you can type, like if you want to change like Umair Bhatt like computer teacher. So this is now site title, and tagline is, for example, learn web developer and graphic designer. And if you save changes and now refresh the page, so we can see that title and tagline has been changed. So in general settings like site title and tagline, you can see in WordPress address URL and site address URL fields, these two fields in localhost you will not change. In if you are using WordPress in your domain, like if you are using in online server, then if you want to type here www, you can also type www, or if you want to add S, if you are using SSL security certificate, you can include from here. Email address, when we install and that time which email we mentioned, that we can see here, but for this is for the admin purpose. If you want to change, you can change it. And if you are going to like if you want, like the people can register in your website, so if you will create a registration process in your website, first of all you will have to check this option, anyone can register. There are different user roles like subscriber, contributor, author, editor and administrator. We can add more, which we will discuss in the plugin section. I will show you in later videos. So this is the default subscriber role. Site language is English United States. If you change it, for example, if you change it to Al Arabiya and then save changes, so this will change dashboard language, not front end language, not this website language. You can see I updated and you can see this one. So now our dashboard is in Arabic, so I will change it to English United States and save it. And the next thing, like time zone, you can select according to your time zone, according to your city, country. So right now I am living in Pakistan, so I can select like UTC +5. And date format you can select, and time format which will appear with the post. We can hide even if we want, and the week starts on Monday, and save changes. So these are the general settings section of the WordPress which we have discussed in this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also like the video, share the video with your friends. Thank you once again.